In Canada, a uniquely crafted event is taking place at UBC. The concept involves science and music.
So today we will do the first Sound and Science in Canada. So initially we started it in Vienna, and the whole idea is really to bring together, which actually should be together, the cultures of art with science. Music allows us actually to bring out the stories of science.
The musical performances are paired with scientific insights from researchers from our very own UBC Faculty of Medicine.
Johannes Brahms, and it was said that he died of liver cancer, and we'll discuss this.
This particular format of using music to opening people's minds so that they can translate and adapt and apply the knowledge is what we're very excited about.
So what do you think so far?
Above and beyond anything we've heard in music and medicine.
The very first Sounds of Science concert in Canada was a sold-out event. I'm Leah Bolton with Joy TV News.